Hello, mathematicians. How are you today? Today we're going to be getting into some post method. Very exciting. All right, let's get right into it. The teaching point today is mathematicians find multiple ways to solve problems by working together to discuss, present their solutions, and critique the reasoning of their peers. We're going to be doing post method number 17 in the packet. So have that out so you can follow along. As you know, when we're doing story problems or word problems, we want to have some goals in mind. We want to make certain that we're studying, organizing the facts. We want to line up a plan so that we can follow through in order to solve the problem accurately. We want to verify our work, and we want to make certain that we're showing all our work clearly and concisely using labels of the units to show our details. We want to also examine the results and check our work. Let's get right into the problem. Miss Bruni made cookies for the class. She made 36 cookies. The boys ate 1/3 of them. Then the girls ate half of what was left. How many cookies are left? Part B. Miss Bruni brought the leftover cookies to a teacher meeting. Miss Lindbergh brought half the amount of what was left over. How many cookies are there now? Part C. If 6 teachers shared the rest equally, how many cookies did each teacher get? So what I want you to do now is I want you to pause the video and I want you to think about some past concepts that you have learned that will help you solve this problem. So pause the video now and then jot it down. Okay, so you should already taken a moment to jot down some past concepts that will help you solve this problem. What I'd like for you to do now is you're going to be working for 8 minutes independently. I want you to then take 3 minutes to contact a peer in Google Classroom and go over what you've done. Then I want you to invite some other peers to discuss in a group. And then this is going to be your group where you'll be conferring with regards to the answer. And then if you can, do your work on a poster. If you have construction paper at home or a large chart paper, I want you to actually do it on the chart paper. If you have markers, anything, I want you to be so creative and I want you to post it. I want you to put that image online for us so we can all see it and we can all critique it so that we can give feedback afterwards. As you know, after you're done this, I want you to self-assess your work. It's so important that you're self-assessing, thinking about what's something that you did well, and then thinking what's something that you can continue to work on. Afterwards, you'll be doing giving some feedback to your peers, and I want you to use the group work checklist to give some feedback. And think about what did your group do well, and what should your group continue to work on. If you have any questions, you are always welcome to put some questions down below and we'll give you feedback. And of course, we're here on Google Classroom to support you. So you have myself, you have your teachers, and you have each other to support you with this. Good luck, guys.